If you love yam porridge, then this is a sign for you to try this cocoyam porridge I'm about to share with you. By the end of this video, you're going to learn how to make the perfect, smooth, thick, and delicious cocoyam porridge, just the way you would love it. All right, this process is very simple, so let's get right into it. Since we are using cocoyam for this recipe, so here I have my cocoyam. I washed it and I peeled it beautifully. Next, we are going to be chopping this into tiny bits. Tiny, emphasis on tiny, because this was going to help the yam to soften fast and get the consistency you want it to be. All right, don't cut them big. Tiny chunks is perfect. Next, we're going to be adding your chopped onions. Then you'll be adding some blended tomato mix. This tomato mix, I have ginger, garlic, pepper in it. Then I added my stockfish, which is popularly known in Ghana as momoni, for that extra flavor. Then I added my dry fish. I'm using dry catfish. You can use any fish of choice. Next, I added my palm oil. Then I added my seasoning. And then the next thing is to top it up with water. You see, very simple. At this stage, you can add in your tomato paste if you wish to, but I didn't want to, so I avoided it. But please take note, if you want to add tomato paste, just add a bit of it. And when it comes to the water, if you want it thick, then you do not have to put too much water. What I just kept right now would be perfect for a very thick cocoyam porridge or yam porridge. But if you want it light, just like the way I want it, you're going to top it up just like so, how you see it in the video. I topped it up again and it covered the yam beautifully. Then I covered this and allowed it to cook thoroughly. That was like about 30 minutes, and the cocoyam was soft and almost melting. Then this is where the trick comes in. You're going to fetch some of the chunky cocoyam or yam into another bowl and mash it, or use a spatula and then press the yam against the pot, which is much easier, and that's what I usually do. You understand? This way you are able to mash the yam faster and it helps thicken your porridge. If you want it very smooth, you can decide to mash every bit of the yam, which is perfect for babies. If you are giving to babies or adults who do not have the teeth to chew, then you can mash it completely. Next, I added in some assorted meat, that's intestines. I have the liver, the kidney, just to add something more chewy to our yam porridge. Added a bit of the stock and give it a good stir. So I covered this for about 5 minutes and allowed this to cook and thicken a bit more, and oh la la, our yam porridge is ready. This came out so well. It was extremely delicious, smooth, silky, and delicious. Emphasis on delicious, guys. If you have never tried cocoyam porridge before, then this is a sign for you to do so. And if you have tried both cocoyam and regular yam porridge, let me know which do you prefer. If you are here with me to this stage and you haven't yet subscribed, please do well to do so. Like, share, and let me know where you're watching me from. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and catch you in my next one. Bye for now.